Okay, hi guys. Okay, welcome to another video. Okay, today I just thought of a new idea which I want to launch on this YouTube channel, and I'm gonna call this segment One Key Thing. Alright, well, welcome to the first episode of One Key Thing. Alright, so basically what this segment is about is I'm gonna teach you guys or tell you guys / share with you guys one key essential thing a photographer must know to become a better photographer. So today on episode 1, we're going to be talking about is composition. Composition. Alright, so what is composition? Alright, in simple terms, right, composition means the positioning of your subject in your photo, or the way you want to position your photo so that your viewers can look at it in a certain way. That's what composition is about. Okay, so let me give you guys an example, right? So the most easiest and simple composition to recognize in when you step foot into photography is always the 1/3 rule. Alright, okay, let's just pretend for a moment that there's a 9 grid. Alright, 9 grid, 3x3 grid right in front of your screen, and let's just say a person is on the corner of that picture. So that's basically the 1/3 rule. Is the way the picture is composed, the way that subject is placed at that one corner. So your eyes, when they immediately look at the picture, they will go straight to that one corner because that one corner stands out. That's why composition is about. It's about the way your subject is positioned. So that is why am I sounding like this? Okay, so that is why composition is important, because it shows your viewers how you want to tell your picture, like how you want to tell the story of your picture. So that is why composition is important. Let me give you guys some example as well. Alright, so another example of 1/3 rule is this picture. Alright, so you can see. Okay, moving on, this picture. Alright, and I think one more picture. There you go. Okay, so that's one example of 1/3 rule and why composition can be important for your photo. Before we end this video, I got one pro tip to share with you guys. Alright, so if you guys want a unique composition, or you guys want to compose your picture in different ways, is basically you guys go head up to Lightroom, Adobe Lightroom, which I'm gonna show you guys right now. And just an example, so once you guys step into Lightroom, once you have a picture you want to edit, you go to develop. Of course, you go to develop, of course. Then you go above basics. You'll see like I don't know how to call it, I just see it. So I'll be basically showing you guys right here. Alright, so you go tap O on your keyboard, and you will get different compositions in your pictures. They'll show you guys I don't know how to describe it, because I know I'm gonna show a video right here, but I just don't know because I do it I'm more of a I do it then I understand it, and less of a okay, so wait, just look at it. So basically I'm just trying to show you guys that there's different amount of compositions found on Adobe Lightroom, which you can use to frame your pictures in a certain way. Alright, so that's one pro tip. So just use it, and just have fun with it and make your photos look different. Alright, we've come to the end of the video. Alright, so that's it. That's all for One Key Thing. It's just basically about sharing you guys one key important thing which I feel a photographer needs to know, and which I want to share with you guys, because I myself didn't know what composition was until I got the help. Like I asked my fellow photographer friends around, and I thought, why not I also share their knowledge which they shared to me with you guys. So yeah, so that's what one key thing is about. It's about sharing with you guys important knowledge which I feel is just important to share. Alright, so yeah, that's all for today's video, and thank you for watching, and have fun with photography. Bye.